嗱，去倫敦啦，我哋 Southampton 去倫敦，130蚊，你話有冇得做 ？OK。Southampton，唔好講咁多廢話，唔該。
Natural History Museum 啊，我哋就要嚟呢度啦。呢個就係我嘅至愛啦。
外賣又有，哇！有咩唔可以做啊？嗱，呢個司機算好好人。
差1分鐘天就黑晒，無需急於趕計成敗。光陰好比閃電飛快，想開心應該去街，不必將音量收細。黃昏的燈飾風裏搖曳。
哇！我哋又經過呢一個名店街啦。
睇影同啦，跟住我哋大天窗做個 Tesla。
呢度就係名店街啦。
Yes。香港城咯。嗰個幾靚啊！對出去啊，有一個。依家係
文華酒店。
哦。文華東方啊。
米食小吃都亮着安慰，腿總不肯安放原位。明日只在遙遠，世間正在轉。Do you wanna dance tonight？ 明日只在遙遠，一切在轉。Do you wanna hold me tight？ 明日只在遙遠，世間。
我哋又翻嚟啦。又見到大家啦。有觀光巴士。
有啊，呢個 Burlington Royal Academy of Arts。唔係安上去。
咁犀利。
咁啊到咗㗎啦，我哋應該唔會入去嘅。咁啊到咗㗎啦，我哋應該唔會入去。
幾靚？呢就係倫敦啦。我哋已經揾到蝙蝠電話亭啦。係咪真係有嘅？蝙蝠電話亭我都揾到啦。而家我哋向緊呢個唐人街方向進發。
呢個 afternoon tea 時間就梗係要嚟到呢一個
時間。
英國嘅 afternoon tea 啦，喺度街度嚇。呢個就係英國倫敦嘅生活。
步入咗呢個唐人街嘅旺季，你要直去到呢個亭樓嗰度。
嚇？以前我都中文。
嗱，有 hot buffet 15蚊 ，hot buffet 15蚊任食。你中意 take away 攞盒8個半。
啊！全部都係呢個唐人街做得好靚喎。呢個有燒臘檔，燒鴨31蚊隻，燒雞19，同我哋琴日差唔多一份。
爭好遠啊！琴晚你半隻都28啦，份片。
打機啊！點心啊，蝙蝠。
倫敦唐人街，幾正！哈哈哈！哇！唐人街。
入去呢度啊，陶居。
應該點起衝動心態。
麗人街。
係咪啊？佢介紹邊間啊？我哋炒翻出嚟。
唐人餅家。
就係呢一個倫敦嘅唐人街。幾好啊！呢個中庭係俾你買出嚟食嘅。
廣州樓。
搖擺的風中起舞無壞，新的招式雖是古怪，此刻的
係新龍鳳啦。
敦華茂。我哋嚟咗呢度啦，新龍鳳，我哋去新龍鳳出名食燒臘。
睇下點介紹啦。
的心中卻嗨，請不必心。
哇，幾旺場！飲茶時間，又可以乾炒牛河喎。
心細，黃昏的景色充滿明麗，讓你的小腿彈着起舞，心底的歡欣也流露。明日似在遙遠，世間正在轉。Do you wanna dance tonight？ 明日似在遙遠。
間菜館喺一個唐人街裏邊，係坐滿晒，係仲要等位嘅。
因為而家係午餐時間。呢間九龍酒樓就係不下啫，都係啲咁嘅拳擊嘢嘅啦，有咩啫？
突然間15蚊咁靚好多。
係啦，個個都不下15蚊。呢個中國太平呢個唐人街出邊等接客，
跟住有 M&N，
呢個得意喎。呢個就係第二個景點啦。
Harry Potter 都喺度啦。
就為咗你睇呢個圖像，呢就係第二個景點啦。National Gallery 對面就係呢一個 Trafalgar Square。嚟到啦，倫敦。Big Ben 仔，我哋後邊啦，我哋要直去。哇！我哋搭對 Big Ben 啊，個陽光啱唔啱咧？你覺得 Big Ben？呢個就係 Trafalgar Square 啦，好天陽光。啱好，你睇唔睇我哋？
一嚟到倫敦啦，我
呢個 Trafalgar Square， 哇，好靚嘅，zoom 埋去，盡 zoom。
15日之後嚟到倫敦，唔錯
好靚嘅，好天，做新點啊？
正。正啊！
不必將音量收細，黃昏的燈飾風裏搖曳，米色小吃風亮着安慰，佢總不肯安放原位。明日似在遙遠，世間正在轉。Do you wanna dance tonight？ 明日似在遙遠，一切在轉。Do you wanna hold me tight？ 何月睇，塵暴禮，唔要制，藝術費先穩貴。
你唔好就佢啊！你
流定睇，神睇，全部都希望將來留計計。Do you wanna dance tonight？
1號我哋去咗啦，但係入唔到6號、10號嘅，因為完全係重門深鎖。
其實係封咗。
咁我哋嚟咗啦。呢個唐寧街只係得1號，10號係重門深鎖，完全入唔到嘅。嚟到又要趕，咁靚嘅位，成間影晒，想點啊？哇！真係啊，幾靚，好金喎！繼續去，
都睇唔少嚟㗎啦。係啦，真正嚟到呢個 Big Ben 啦，真正嘅，唔使喺澳門嗰個啊。
相呢條。靚可以摸喎，摸。你一行2個鐘，因為而家2點半啊嘛，我11點。
英國巴士 英國阿婆檔口，低炒。又係我哋啊！
呢度倫敦嗌都嚟埋啦，
幾多人？
我喺呢度先睇到條河噶嘛，太唔似河。
由發揮。
就嗰時嘅成功啦。哦，已經出發啦，啱啱趕到成尾啦，咁你直接太唔似河。
Boys and girls, welcome on board. It's the Mercia, and as you can see, we have now left at Westminster. It's a little bit more interesting along the way, Life Centre, and also the London Dungeons as well. Towering above us on the right side. That will take 30 minutes to go round. You see all of them, hence its name, the London Eye. A ticket to go on there, I believe it does cost a golden eagle on the top, and that is a RAF war memorial to all of the airmen who lost their lives during the Second World War. The beak of the eagle faces towards the shores of northern France, where many of those young airmen did very sadly lose their lives. Wave back are probably from London and miserable like the rest of us. One on the other side, hopefully. Now, as I mentioned, on the way down river, we make some very brief stops. Now, to pass beneath a group of bridges. The first bridge is the Blackfriars Road Bridge, and it was opened by Queen Victoria in 1869. It's then followed very closely by the Blackfriars Railway Bridge. If you're not with your loved one, you could always kiss your husband or wife. I think that works as well. Any single men, the barman downstairs, he's in talks. We're about halfway to Tower Bridge. I hope you're enjoying it so far. How's it going, okay? Yeah, excellent. But thank you very much for listening. So you can see Tower Bridge in the distance in front of us. Cow in a jar, a brick wall, a light bulb that flashes on and off all day long. Hey, what a great day out. Singer of an evening, a very good pub that one, the Anchor at Bankside.
你見到呢三個尖就係 Borough Market 啦。
Pirate ship. In Belfast, Northern Ireland, she saw action on the beaches of Normandy on the D-Day landings 80 years ago. That was a museum, a part of the Imperial War Museum. Bridge as well. Some of London's Tower Bridge, a red double-decker bus, traffic jam, all in one picture. In with the tower, I'm sure many people do realise, look up above you and you will see people standing on the glass. I mean, try not to look too carefully. You'll be very surprised what you can see from down here sometimes. So ladies and gentlemen, our next stop is on the right hand side, Butler's Walk here. Now I'm pretty sure that some of you are leaving us here at Butler's Walk. If I could kindly ask you all just to remain where you are for the moment. If you are standing, try to hold on. Okay? You'll be very some. Very expensive.
哦，拜拜。
A two-bedroom apartment in Butler's Wharf with houses that have been converted into luxury apartments. So I mentioned on the left is the East End of London, and this part of the East End leaf fruit in the docks to our left. Today though folks, Canary Wharf is a very clean and well maintained part of London. Lots of very nice bars and restaurants over there. Throughout the week it's very busy.
一個貴區。
Monday to Thursday it's very busy. There's so much to see and do. You'll see two large white buildings with the domes. They're the old Greenwich Naval Colleges. That's where the Navy was trained years ago. Today home to Greenwich University. Very nice grounds to walk around over there. Wait on the pier where we drop you off, and at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I'm going to bring you back.
你嚟到呢個 Greenwich 碼頭格林威治嗰條線，哇！
接船啦！我就知。
哇！
船啦！
潘老師又見到潘老師，
冇見啦！坐完飛機，再坐車，再坐船，好似明星咁啊！我影你相個，係啊，氣勢都唔同，
犀利。
Green House 喎，呢個望住就 Green House。